I make little sculptures out of garbage. I quilt as well, thanks to my mom. She taught me how to do that, and it's fun. And so yes, I also animate, and I make stamps and print with those, and I also like to draw with my eyes closed. So I think that covers everything that I do pretty much. And I think when I first got back into hankies, I might have bought like a lot on eBay or something just to get my collection going. And then the rest have just been scavenged from thrift stores, hither and thither. When I had enough hankies to start sharing, I figured I needed a thing to put them in, and I must have had one because I also have them just for art supplies as well. So I just figured, well, that would probably make a really good Kleenex box. And it seemed to do the trick. And so then for the next decade or so, whenever I saw them, and they still, although I don't need any more, but I still buy them when I see them. But I may have to stop now. Because I think I've got about over a dozen scattered around the house. So you're never very far from hankies. The first hanky I printed on was this one with a silkscreen I made of a drawing of bunnies. For the heart one, I made, it's a series. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 hearts on there. So it's almost like it does a little repeat. And then on the corners, I have loose hearts. My loose hearts. So I use those to fill in any gaps where they didn't quite meet up properly on the corner. I like to make multiple sized motifs when I do stuff because I like the way they look like they're tumbling around. My mom brought me up with a very strong waste not, want not attitude. She was just raised, during the war in the 40s, you just don't throw anything out. And also there's a lot less plastic back then. Even though plastic's one of my main materials for the flowers. So it was just the way I was raised. You just figure out how to repurpose something.